Okay, so you've seen the watches now. First of all, hold on. Hi. So you've watched the unboxing of the 2 Apple Watches. As much as I love the screen size, it is huge on my wrist. I'm sorry, but when I look down at it, it just looks weird. I remember trying it on in the Apple store as well. And I don't know, it looked big on my wrist then too. I mean, my wrist hasn't changed, so I don't know. On camera, in my opinion, it looks better than it does in real life. It's like, it's huge. I don't know, like, I think it looks very strange on me. I don't know, like I feel like I could put it off. I don't know. It's huge. It's actually huge. I'm not used to it. I can't lie, I'm not used to it. Maybe it's the color of band. I don't know. What I do like about the Apple Watch Ultra, even though I wouldn't upgrade, this is a Series 7, by the way. I'm gonna take off the glasses because the ring light is catching on the glasses. I don't know why it took me so long to realize that, but we're here now. So this is built for people that do strenuous activities, so like hiking when it's like really cold. You've seen the adverts from Apple. I don't do that stuff. What I like about it is that it has a button. I can just do my workout, and that it has a longer battery life. That's about it. That doesn't warrant paying an extra 800 and something pounds for it. I like the size of the screen, but I don't like the watch on me. Maybe one day I'll upgrade and I'll just deal with it. But I think it was Marquez. I'm saying his name like he's my boy. I remember Marquez saying, you can get away with an Apple Watch to a gala or event or a wedding or whatever, based on like the kind of Apple Watch strap you have with it. But with this, it's really hard to pull this off at a wedding. It's very bulky as well. I think that's what it is, whereas my 7 isn't. If you look at where I was holding the watches up at an angle, you can kind of see the thickness of the different watches. I'm not gonna lie, it bothers me. This watch is just very in my opinion. And I'm not a person. Do you know what I mean? And it's not like it's heavy. Yeah, it doesn't really feel heavy on my wrist. It's titanium anyways. I don't know, like, I don't know, like, maybe is it because it's on my right wrist? I don't usually wear watches on my right wrist. I wear it on my left wrist. But surely that can't be the reason. Because like for me personally, I don't really care about like it has this CPU and that CPU. When it comes to me purchasing a watch that's better than mine, or a device that's better than mine, whatever I have that's better than mine, I want it to be faster, I want it to be brighter, I want it to be the battery to last longer, and that's everything that this thing has. But I also want it to look better, and if it doesn't look better than what I have, I don't want it. You can call me superficial, I don't mind. That was just like a little cheeky review without having to go into too much detail about the specs and everything. It is definitely an ultra watch. The screen looks great, by the way. I have to say, the screen looks really nice. For me personally, would I upgrade from my 7 to an ultra? If it looked prettier, maybe. Thank you for watching.